how to activate your T-Mobile SIM card outside the US. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to activate your T-Mobile SIM card even if you're outside the United States, so you can stay connected while traveling. If you're traveling abroad and your T-Mobile SIM isn't working, it's usually because the activation process needs a US connection, or roaming isn't enabled yet. You might notice no signal, no mobile data, or error messages saying the SIM isn't recognized. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact steps to activate your SIM from anywhere in the world and get your service working properly. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Check your SIM card and device compatibility. Make sure your T-Mobile SIM is active and your phone is unlocked for international use. If your phone is locked to another carrier, it won't work with T-Mobile abroad. Step 2. Enable international roaming. Before leaving the US, log into your T-Mobile account or app and make sure international roaming is turned on. This allows your SIM to work in other countries. Step 3. Insert the T-Mobile SIM. Insert the T-Mobile SIM into your unlocked phone. Restart the device after insertion to allow it to detect the network. Sometimes a restart is all it takes for your phone to pick up the international signal. Step 4. Connect to a local network if needed. If your SIM doesn't automatically connect, go to Settings, then Mobile Networks, then Network Operators, and select T-Mobile or a partner carrier manually. Step 5. Activate online or via T-Mobile support. If the SIM still isn't working, log into my.tmobile.com and activate the SIM online. Alternatively, contact T-Mobile support through chat or phone. They can remotely activate your SIM while you're abroad. Keep your T-Mobile account details ready. Activation usually takes a few minutes once verified. And that's it. Your T-Mobile SIM should now be active and ready to use outside the US. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick mobile tips.